Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel, and welcome to Linux Ubuntu tutorials. In this tutorial we explain how to enable automatic login in Linux Ubuntu. But before we start with explanations, let's explain the main motivation for enabling automatic login. Namely, if you're using your computer for some very important task, such as, for example, your computer is used to control a robot, or it's being used as some form of server, or it's being used to collect some data, sometimes it might happen that the computer will automatically restart or a similar process might happen. Now, if you're actually using a computer to control a robotic system, you would like to automatically log in after restarting, and some process should start. However, if you have a login screen and you don't have remote access to that computer, then the computer might not execute the task. Consequently, sometimes it's a good idea to enable automatic login. However, in some other cases, that's not a good idea, since anyone can access your computer, since once you press the turn on button, you'll be automatically logged in. So it's up to you. Okay, so let's start. First of all, let's open a terminal. And over here in the terminal, let's first of all install Nano. Nano is a simple editor that will be used to edit files. So let's type sudo apt install nano and enter your password. Okay, as you can see over here, I have already installed Nano. However, in your case, you might see the installation progress. Next, we need to edit a configuration file. Namely, we need to edit the configuration file for GNOME Display Manager, or GDM. To do that, we need to type this sudo, then nano, then we need to specify the path to the configuration file, gdm3, and the name of the file is custom.conf. So let's edit this file. Now, over here, I already added these two lines that are currently commented. Namely, similarly to Python, the comments are written like this. So I will simply uncomment these two lines. This first line will enable automatic login. And if you don't have this line, just simply type it. And the second line will log in the user. This is my username, Haber. However, in your case, you should enter your username. So to repeat, you need to add these two lines. Automatic login enable is true, and automatic login, and then you need to enter your username. And that's it. Simple as that. Now, to save the changes, you need to press Ctrl S, and you can see wrote 30 lines, and then, or another way for saving changes is simply to press Ctrl and O, and then you need to press Enter. To exit this editor, you need to press Ctrl X, and that's it. Now you need to press sudo reboot, and this will reboot the system, and you will be automatically logged in.